In this video, I'll show you how to remove and replace the front wiper blades on a Jeep Wrangler. So grab your wiper arm itself, pull it up, and then there's a squeeze tab right here. So this is a round hook style, so you're going to push that tab towards you and then push that blade out. Sometimes I like to use a flathead screwdriver. And you can see that how it's got the round hook style, and this is a round hook. There's a little hole there for that plastic tab to sit in. Bring it right over and you'll push till it clicks. Give it a tug. Now take off the packaging, little white clips here. It's just to keep the blade intact, and then lower it down on the glass. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.